Hello students, let's read our question. Which of the following rectangle has an area of 4x plus 20? This is a short sentence and we can identify the question easily. They want for us to figure the area right here. So we did circle or underline, in which case or highlighted, and we box the question. I'm gonna remember what area is. It means it's all the space inside a shape, and I'm gonna bring a picture of one of the shapes that I learned in elementary so I can remember how we figure the area. And when we are trying to find area, we remember that area is all the space inside the shape. So in this case, guys, I have 1 2 3 4 and then another 4 that makes 8 and then another 8, so it is 12 square units. So that's what the area is in this case. One way to find the area is by multiplying the number of rows. And so I'm going to measure the length of this side. In this case, it's going to be 4 units. Can you tell me what is the width of this rectangle? Thank you. 3 units. Awesome. So you see, basically we are repeating this row here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, which really is the measure of the width. So what we do is we multiply the 4 by the 3, and that gives me this answer. Okay, so that's what we do since we were in elementary. But now, guys, what we're gonna do the same operation, but for values that have algebraic expressions, like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna start doing the work for choice A, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for B, C, and D. I'm gonna copy those expressions and so we can do it together. What I wrote on the bottom, guys, is how we can find the area of the shapes that we have in choice A, B, C, and D. And remember how here we identified the length of the rectangle here, and then also we said we needed the width. That is this side right here. So the width will be this, 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 and this. You agree, guys? So it will be this number on the left side, this number on the left side, this number on the left side, and this number on the left side. So you can track me better so you can see that we're doing exactly the same stuff that we learned in elementary. And then the length will be here, 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 and here, as it is in this form, right? So it's gonna be this, this, and this. And then remember when we were in elementary, then we just needed to multiply that length by that width. And that's what we're gonna do exactly here. But when we have an expression, we're not gonna forget that we multiply this value for this value and then this value by this value. And that's what we do in all the choices. And here we don't have a plus, so this 20 goes with all these terms. Unless one term is separated by a plus or by a minus sign, then this term applies to all these terms right here. And now we're gonna do the work. The 4 times x, that's gonna be 4x. This plus, we bring it down. And this 4 multiplies the 20. And that is this expression here. And this expression here needs to match with the expression on the top. And then we have 4x first. So this 4x could be this 4x here. So far so good. But then behind the plus we only have a 20. And in this expression behind the plus we have a 4 times a 20. So this is not the same. Okay, let's check choice B. The 5 times x, that's gonna give me 5x. And then I have a plus, and then I have a 5 times the 4. And on the given expression, look, they start with a 4x. And here they started with a 5x, so that's not the same. And then behind the plus, they have a 20. Well, 5 times 4 also is gonna give me a 20. But since the first part of the expression didn't work, we cannot take this one. We cannot take this one. Now let's check on C. For C, we will have to multiply 4 times x first, and that will be 4 times x. Then we have a plus, and then we have a 4 distributing with the other 5. Then this term here. The 4x could be this 4x, so far so good. Then we have the plus, and behind the plus a 20. And here behind the plus, this 4 times 5 is going to become a 20. So looks like this is going to be our answer. We put a big question mark here. And now we're just going to check the choice D. This 20 multiplies the numbers, so numbers with numbers, constants with constants. 20 times a 4, that is an 80. And then the x. And why I don't have a plus? Because the 20 is not multiplying any expression that has an addition. So that's it. And this expression here is not this expression here. We should have 4x. And here we got 80x. So this one cannot be our answer either. Our answer, it is for sure letter C. Awesome, guys. Thank you.